Hi, this is Amanda Sillen with Excellence in Learning, and this is your 60-second video on how to use the ELCC online library. You may know that we have a library upstairs at the co-op building. This is on the top floor and hosts about 4,000 titles. Titles are organized by curriculum publisher type and also by subject. If you look on our website, www.excellenceinlearning.org/ELCC-library, you'll find our online searchable library catalog. This catalog is searchable by publisher, author, book title, and even the resources that you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for something for your 7th grader. You can search the term 7th grade, and this will populate resources that are appropriate for a 7th grader. Science experiments, Abeka's 7th grade, even some language arts things that would be appropriate for your 7th grader. It's not just 7th grade. Let's try 1st grade. Now we have handwriting without tears, learning language arts through literature, even how to do sight words and home reading. Now, you might see that each of these books have a status showing whether or not the book is available. Here's a book that's been checked out. You can see this book is not due back until December of 2021. Each of our books are available to be checked out for up to 6 months or 1 year, as long as you're an associate member. To become an associate member, simply register on our website, and you'll also benefit from a great deal of field trips and support from other like-minded parents. Associate membership is $15 per semester. If you have any questions about associate memberships or how to use our library, please reach out to us through Facebook or Instagram Instant Messenger. Thanks, and we hope you've enjoyed our video on how to use the ELCC online library.